Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my Sephora Play unboxing for May of 2018. So guys, today I'm going to unbox my Sephora Play Box, my Play by Sephora box, my whatever this is called, box, bag, thing, for May of 2018. And if you guys don't know me yet, hi, my name is ColorMeCassie, and I do a lot of unboxing videos and beauty videos and more videos and stuff like that. So if that sounds like a fun time to you, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button if you enjoy. So let's open this thing. If you guys don't know what Sephora Play is, it's a subscription box. It is $10 a month, and it's kind of like comparable to Ipsy, Birchbox, that sort of thing. So the first thing I'm seeing here is this, the Professional by Benefit, and this is a great primer, but I have gotten the sample from Sephora Play before, so I'm kind of disappointed that I'm getting the same thing again. I think I've gotten it at least twice before, so I'd rather get to try something new, but this is a great primer, so that's a good thing. The next thing I'm seeing here is this Bumble & Bumble BB Thickening Spray. So this is a thickening spray for your hair. This I probably will not use. As you can tell, my hair is pretty thick of its own accord, and it's like 3/4 is up in a little clippy thing back here, so if I got any more volume, I would start to look real funny. My hair already looks a little bit funny when it's humid outside, so if I got any more volume, it would get to be a little bit ridiculous. But I know a couple people who would enjoy this, so I will give it to them. And this is a decent size, so I know those of you who need a little bit of thickening in your life will really enjoy this. The next thing I got in here is a fragrance sample. When you get fragrance samples in Sephora Play, they do tend to be a 6 item, so it's a little bit of an extra thing. And I have tried the Flower Bomb scent before and liked it, so that I'm very excited about. As long as I get it as an extra item, I'm cool with the fragrance. And this is one I know I actually do enjoy. The next thing I have in here is a Sephora Mask Purifying Mattifant, like mattifying thing, mattifant. So we got a little mask sample right here. I mean, I think that's a pretty decent size. There's definitely enough in here to get to test it out a couple times, so that's a good thing. Definitely excited to try that out. The next thing I have in here is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, which I have gotten before and I've really liked it. So I'm actually very excited about this. I love getting makeup in my bags, and I know that this is a great liner and it's in black, so I will wear it. I will wear the heck out of this thing. And actually the eyeliner that I've been using, it's an eyeliner sample in my everyday makeup bag, but it is totally drying out, so I need a new one to throw in my bag, so this will definitely be good news. And the last thing I got in here is a little mini Becca highlight. This is the color Champagne Pop, so this is Jaclyn Hill's shade. Oh, and it's so cute. It's even got its little own mirror. I love that. And this is a great shade for a highlight. It's like really close to my skin tone, so it'll give me the really nice natural looking glow. So I'm excited to get to use that, and I love that it comes in this little cute compact thing. So overall in the Sephora Play, we got about 3 makeup items: the Becca highlighter, the eyeliner, and the primer. And then we got a hair care item, which was this thickening spray, and a face item, which was this mask. So I think we did pretty well this month. I like everything I got. I think it was worth the $10. I think it was a good month. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!